like the shit's not strong enough. Like, what the fuck are you shining on, man? What are you doing? Let me see you fucking retard.
Taking a video.
I know it. You fucking retard.
There it is.
Now you got a picture of me being an asshole trying to open a lock with the smallest fucking stick in the forest. With the weakest stick in the fucking forest. Your baby dad's a fucking idiot.
Is that going through?
Oh, I think I'm smartening up though. Hold on.
Watch this window go down all of a sudden.
I know, watch you break it. Yo, I got the weakest. It's like the perfect stick, but it's fucking it's weak as shit.
What if we turn it around?
I was thinking about turning it around.
You might as well do it with your hand. It's all the way down there.
Yo, you turn that light off the lock one more time.
Hold on.
I don't think that'll turn the same way. Hopefully it'll. Oh. Okay, I'll hold this. Push the window down some. Watch the whole stick go in there. Okay, hold on. Listen to number 2 over there doing some shit. Number 2's getting good over there. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we're assholes, man. You're an asshole.
No, and then the worst thing is that I was like, oh, let me collect the truck so I can. And you were planning on leaving.
I know. Now I'm done.
That would have been a situation.
Here's a flashlight real quick.
I'm not doing anything here. Oh no.